Are you searching for the best HVAC services in Hong Kong? Finding a reliable HVAC provider is crucial for maintaining comfort and efficiency in your home or business. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure you choose a top-quality HVAC service that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. First, start by understanding your specific HVAC needs. Whether you're looking for installation, repair, or maintenance, having a clear idea of your requirements will help narrow down your options. Take note of any existing issues, the size of your space, and any special considerations such as energy efficiency or air quality concerns. Next, research potential HVAC service providers in Hong Kong. Look for companies with a strong reputation, positive customer reviews, and relevant certifications. Online reviews, industry ratings, and recommendations from friends or family can provide valuable insights into the reliability and expertise of different service providers. When evaluating HVAC contractors, consider their experience and qualifications. A well-established company with certified technicians is more likely to offer high-quality service. Ask about their experience with your type of HVAC system and any specialized training their technicians may have. It's also essential to request detailed quotes from multiple providers. Compare not just the cost of services but also the scope of work included. Ensure that the quotes cover all aspects of the job, including labor, parts, and any additional fees, so you can make an informed decision without unexpected costs. Finally, check for warranties and service guarantees. A reputable HVAC service provider should offer warranties on their work and equipment, giving you peace of mind and protection against potential issues. Review the terms of these warranties to ensure they align with your expectations and needs. In conclusion, finding the best HVAC services in Hong Kong involves thorough research and careful consideration of your options. By understanding your needs, evaluating potential providers, and comparing quotes, you can ensure you get high-quality service that keeps your space comfortable and efficient. For more detailed reviews and tips, visit our article on Best in Hood's website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful guides and insights.